your collection pan, but you want to measure each size out individually. Did you already mix them?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, well that's fine. That's fine. It's sort of, the idea originally was to measure each size individually, then mix them all together. But that's okay. That way you can compare at the end and know, oh, this one's off by so many grams or whatever, you know, or it's perfect. So we got 4 sizes there?
3.
Okay. Yeah, I'd have, yeah, just pick one more in the middle there. Oh, are these consecutive sizes?
No.
Oh.
No, all stacked together.
Oh, it's, do you have consecutive sizes, Rick? Not necessarily?
No, this is just what Andrea left over.
Okay, okay. Alrighty.
I'm not sure.
If that's maybe as consecutive as possible, maybe it's not possible. Okay. So we're going from like 3/4 inch or something, or 1/2 inch down to like number 30 or something?
Yeah.
I don't know. She wrote them all in metric.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's probably about 1/4 inch or less. The other
Yeah,
one-
these, that looks like number 16 or
I
something.
think that was like 1 millimeter. This is like 1/2 millimeter, I think.
Okay. All right. Maybe this, I think these might have sizes on them. So, and the biggest one is 1/2 inch?
Yeah.
Okay, so the bottom one, let's see here, what is this? This is 1.18 millimeter. So that's maybe that smallest one you have, possibly?
Yeah, I'll go through that.
This is number,
Like, the ones we pulled out were all set on the, I think they were the ones she was using.
oh, okay, the ones from, on the other one?
Yeah.
All right, so, of course, that was, she was using this machine, but okay. All right, let's see what we got here.
Oh, I already know.
All right, so this is number 4. Number 8, this is 2 millimeter. So that 1 millimeter would drop through, right? Probably. So she wrote 1 millimeter there. So do you think it's like the 1.18 millimeter maybe? Number 16, or we can get a finer sieve. Maybe number 32. Number 30. This is like 0.6 millimeters. That'll probably catch that 1 millimeter. What was the next one after the 1 millimeter going up there?
I'm not sure.
So this could be the very bottom 1 point or 0.6 millimeter. Does that sound reasonable?
Maybe.
Okay, all right. Yeah, the thing is, with the collection you have, she may have had to do 2 sets of sieves. Should just slide in. It's usually not that hard. You don't want to, that's pretty strong, but still you don't want to really bend anything, you know, or get hurt. You don't want to wait and see what sizes you got first?
I'm just putting the ones that were in there.
Okay, but remember she may have used 2 sets of sieves. Let's look what sizes you have. That one I brought over, so it's really tiny. But, yeah, there's nothing else left, so that's fine. That attached to 1 millimeter for sure. You got two of the same size there, I think. The one you just put in is 16, I believe. And the one isn't that one 16 also?
The one above it's an 8.